You wanna learn how to cook again? Okay. Well, welcome back to my show. Where it's so easy, it's crazy, man. Let's go. Tinatry kong bumili nung nilabas ni Jollibee na do-it-yourself chicken joy at home. But unfortunately, I can't get a hold of any. Because it's all gone. People be hoarding that shit. Anyway, I'm gonna teach you how to do it at home. Jollibee style, brother. So we're about to find out. Tinanong ko yung mga tao sa internet kung paano i-marinate yung manok. Ito lang naman yun, guys. Bam! Pag tinignan nyo sa internet yung mga nagpo-post ng manok na binibili nilang pre-made, pre-marinated, this is it. It's 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of MSG. Lagyan ko rin siya ng 2 cups of water. 24 oras. Yun talaga yung recipe daw ni Jollibee. Since siguro mga 4 hours ko pa lang itong na you know. Inject some flavor into the meat, brother. And by the way, I just want you to meet my cat, Popo, who's hanging out there in the sidelines, chilling like a villain. See that cat? That cat is so bougie, man. Pow! I'm gonna give you some chicken joy later, brother. I'm gonna give that cat some juicy food. Let's go! Marinating chicken dito, alam niyo na kung nung nasa loob niyan. 1 cup flour, 1 cup cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon 5-spice powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon white pepper. Haluin muna natin. Let it drip. As much as possible, isang kamay lang gawin mo dun sa dry hand mo. Yan, buklatin mo yan. Lagyan mo rin yan sa loob. Very important na lahat ng sulok ng manok mo may butter. Na natin to sa prito area natin. Let's go! Init na yung oil mo. Pag nilagay mo to, ganyan, ibig sabihin solid na yan. Put it in the oil, bro. Saka mo muna. Lagay mo na sa oil. Hintay ka ng 20 minutes nung naka-pressure cooker. Mababang apoy, ah. Nakita mo kung gaano kababa yung apoy ko, ah. Ganyan lang dapat. Pero make sure na marunong ka gumamit ng pressure cooker because if not, you're gonna blow up your kitchen, brother. So beware. Tinamoy natin. You know, amoy Jollibee nga! Delicioso! Let's check out our chicken, brother. Yan. Pag nakita niyo yan na bumaba na, ibig sabihin pwede niyo sa buksan. Saka kung wala nang lumalabas na pressure sa loob niya. Alright? Alright.
Opo. Oh!
Yun. Nakita niyo to, guys. Lumubog na. Ibig sabihin yan, pwede na natin buksan yung pressure cooker. You know. You know. Chicken joy. Ayun natin. Ooh! Ooh! Smells like Jollibee. Looks like Jollibee. See? But does it taste like Jollibee though? Let's find out. Mm, 90% Jollibee. Cook some Jollibee at home, brothers and sisters. This is the recipe for you, man. Like for real.
Ano lasa ng Jollibee?